going to shoot a straight on shot. It's like a straight on, there we go. Can't imagine there'll be enough light. And that's the end of our roll. There it goes. I hope. There we go. And we're done. Now it's flashing. That means we are done. So, there we have it, ladies and gentlemen. Hey guys, how we doing? Small town Indiana photography for you here with our Maxxum 3xi, Minolta Maxxum 3xi. And what we're doing with this is, well, we've got some black and white film in here. Black and white 100 Fomapan. Two goals today. One is to test the Maxxum 3xi. I've used it twice now, so getting the hang of it. And I do use the auto and program modes here though still. Just not, I just don't want to spend all the time making sure. I mean, when every frame is important, and I don't know what kind of lighting we got. I don't know if I'm going dark and light and everything. Sorry, I'll stop spinning around. Hopefully I'm in the proper light right now. But you know, the more the more chance you take on a film camera, the scarier it gets, because again, I only got 24 frames. I'm sure I wasted a few, but you know, we'll just see what happens. Eventually I'll get to manual mode. Like, I mean, all my digital cameras are manual mode 90% of the time, 95, 99% of the time. And but the film cameras, typically I'll run a roll or two through at program or auto mode. That gets a little dicey when you're in a situation like this. I'll spin the camera around here. The sun is going down. Don't know if you can see that or not. So I got here a little late, and you know, wanted to get out earlier, and obviously didn't happen. So but it's a small town, so I was up and down the block. It's only about 3 blocks or something. The other idea is I wanted to have enough shots from the Foma 100 along with the other film that I have, Arista, and what's the other, Kentmere. So I believe we're about done with shooting the 100. That's what this is today, the 100. And I've got one more roll to shoot of the Fomapan 100, and then I'll be able to compare the Fomapan, the Kentmere, and the Arista, and we'll see what we come up with. And then I'll move on to the 200s and the 400s. So we're almost done. We've shot 5 rolls. So one more roll to go, and then I'll be able to start making those comparisons, and hopefully we get some good stuff. Again, the idea here is to test out the Minolta Maxxum 3xi with the 28-80 lens. Good wide range on this lens here. And again, I used auto and program, and somebody hit something. Okay guys, so I'm gonna log this one out here, and I do appreciate you tuning in and checking it out. So if you're watching the video about the camera, there's also going to be another video out there about this Fomapan 100 film, along with the, as I said, the Kentmere and Arista. So be on the lookout for those for Film Camera Friday, and we're gonna get this fired up again. All right guys, so we'll see you on the next one. Okay, so we've got our Maxxum 3xi here, as you can see, and we've got our, I believe we've got our Fomapan 100. That is correct, and we've got only 24 exposures. I've used 6. I forget. It's been so long since I've been out here with it that I forget what my exposures, or what my, what even those exposures were. But hey, here we go. Nice camera. It's got the. What do we have here? We've got the 28-80 lens, so we're gonna get a shot right here. We're gonna go ahead. We are in black and white, so. Okay, power on. And again, we are in black and white, so these are not. I'm in auto mode because I don't know enough about the camera to really play with it too much. That will come in future episodes, but trying to both get some experience with the camera as well as the film, so we can do some film comparisons. Okay, so we got some really cool stuff going on here. We got some great light tonight. A place called Edinburgh, Indiana, with a big E in the middle. I don't know if you can see that or not, but this is a very cool thing right here, which I will show you momentarily. So we've got this, I don't know if you can see it, this big E right here that's in the middle of the road, which stands for Edinburgh, of course. So we'll wait for this car to, there's some kind of a cool shot shooting down the street here. I'll zoom in as much as I can. Again, we are in black and white, but we do have some great contrast. See if I can get this guy to ride his bicycle. See if I can get this. Can you ride that bike through there? Right through here, right through that E there. Yeah. Right between there, just kind of a neat shot. Awesome, thanks, man. Let's see, so I'm going to zoom all the way in here. Okay, so we've got this glorious sun right here. Let's see what we can do with it. Oh, I want to get to the train tracks. Oh, this is very cool right here, though. I wanted to get to the train tracks and get the train. Damn it. I don't think we're going to get there. Let's see if we can. That is glorious light, though. Oh, no, he's moving on. Dang it, that's one reason I came, was to get this train, and train's already going to be here. Shit. I'll come back later. Kind of cool here. See if I can get a little small town atmosphere light going here. Kind of cool. Man, that train was moving on, so there's no sense in running my old legs that fast. So we got some really, as you can see, some awesome contrast going here, but we're using black and white. That's okay. Here's what we've got here. This is what we're dealing with. This is our Minolta 3xi. As you can see, the town kind of boarded up. Well, I guess you can see that anyway, even without the reflection. Nice little town, kind of dead, of course, as you can obviously tell. Oh, man. Don't want to waste any shots when you're using film, that's for sure. Okay, so I'm just going to get kind of a broad shot here. See what, again, I should be going for about f8. Whoops, that's not what I wanted to do. Okay. Mind if I take a quick picture of you?
No.
No? Okay, I won't then. I just, because it's neat sun coming through here, so. All right, thanks, man. All right, so we're losing our light. Here we got a little kind of a cool thing going here. Let's see. So actually I want to take a shot. We are losing our sun here, but I'm going to take a shot in the, see how cool this will turn out. I'm not sure if it will. And I'm not sure how that'll turn out at all, but a little concerned about the shutter speed on this bad boy. We've only got about 9 shots left. Lost some of our sun. Let's see what we've got here. Not a lot. We have this, so we'll zoom in here. Trust that. What kind of shutter speed we got. I do want to take a shot here with the sun. The town. I don't know what we'll get. Looking for some flare. Okay, let this truck go by so we can get an empty street if he would hurry up. Whoops. What's this guy waiting on? Come on, man, let's go. Come on, come on, come on. Any day, any day. All right, thank you. Okay, don't know. Again, we're shooting in black and white, so hoping we get something. I'm gonna go down here to the, well, the light just went inside those clouds real quick. So here I'm gonna get a shot here. It's kind of nice, little towny shot. Okay, but again, I have no idea what kind of shutter speed and things we are on, and that's the problem with using program and auto mode. I should be using manual, but since I am running out of light, I'm just trying to take my shots and see, and obviously that's how you find out if you're doing things right or wrong. Okay, here we go. This gives me something to work with right here. I could actually go ahead and put these wires in now since they make up some geometry here. So we've got some triangles going, okay? So here we go. Oh yes, I like this, if this will hopefully be in the whole frame. One thing, if you are going to use some sort of auto mode or program mode, brace the camera against your forehead as much as you can so that if it does shoot at a low shutter speed, you've got some chance. Okay, my light is gone. I'm not even, well, I'll go ahead and take the shot here, but dang it. That light is gone, and I'm not sure how much of this viewfinder actually shows the shot, and I cropped that very tight. So, okay, I'm gonna go for some wide angle fun here. Bowing in. See, we come up exploring different angles. Okay, well, this isn't too bad either. I'm gonna go on these people's property. I'm at 21, so I only got 3 shots left. So, let's see here. I think I'm at about 60th of a second, 6.7. So we've been shooting about 60th of a second. Okay, and what I shouldn't have wasted all these shots, because now we do have a little sun coming this way. So let me get over here, see what we come up with here. We've got 2 shots. So let's just go here. I'm gonna focus in the middle on the second trestle there. Back up here a little bit. Okay, we got a little sun coming. Not sure how much I'm going to get between the viewfinder and what my actual image is, though. That's kind of got me concerned because I'm right to the edge. And I don't want these cars in here, so let's let this guy with his headlights coming this way. Let's let them come and get out of the dang way. And then I'm going to shoot from the telephone pole over this. No, actually, I won't have the telephone pole in, but these people need to stop coming. So now we got some light going here. Would have been on those buildings if I had waited and had some patience, but okay, here we go. Okay, here we go. And there's one. I think I'm going to save a shot. Okay, so I'm going to shoot up this way, see what we get up here. So let's see here. Here we go. And there we go, we got that one. Has not kicked into auto rewind, which means we've got 1 shot left, or maybe a half a shot. That's so cool down there, that structure. Okay, I've got to come back to this town without question. Okay, so what we're going to do here is see what we can get. I should have did that before this car came, so there we go. Ah, dang it. Okay, I'm just going to go ahead and get this place right here. I don't know if we have the light and what we're going to get, but just going to take the shot. And we're at 25 on a 24 roll. Just going to shoot a straight on shot. It's like a straight on, there we go. Can't imagine there'll be enough light. And that's the end of our roll. There it goes. I hope. There we go. And we're done. Now it's flashing. That means we are done. So, there we have it, ladies and gentlemen. All right, guys, that's going to do it for our video today. Certainly do appreciate you guys tuning in and checking things out. We've got some more in the can, so we definitely have more coming. All right, guys, so we'll see you on the next one.